Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue regarding section 151 approval which is given at the time of giving sanction for the reopening of the case under section 148. The issue in the present case is that whether the expression used by the approving authority while giving approval under section 151 should clearly discern the satisfaction recorded by the approving authority, meaning thereby that if the approval has been given only by penning down yes, so whether this satisfaction arrived at must be discernible from the expression used at the time of according approval for reassessment under section 147. This issue has been taken by Delhi High Court in the case of Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Pioneer Town Planners Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 465 ITR at page number 356. The date of the judgment is 20th Feb 2024. In the present case, which is related to assessment year 2009-10, the Principal Commissioner has given the approval for reopening the case under section 147 by merely penning down the expression yes. The assessee has already challenged before the tribunal that the assessment proceeding should be quashed on the basis of mechanical approval under section 151. The tribunal has already given relief to the assessee, so the revenue was before Delhi High Court for its appeal. When this matter was heard by Delhi High Court said that in the present case, satisfaction of the approving authority is a sine qua non for a valid approval, and the court said that satisfaction arrived at must be discernible from the expression which is used at the time of according approval for reassessment under section 147. The court said that satisfaction acts as a link between the facts which are considered and the conclusion reached. The court said that in the present case, the Principal Commissioner has failed to satisfactorily record his congruence. The court also said that in the present case, although the Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax has written yes, I am satisfied in his proposal, but the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, without specifically noting his approval while recording the satisfaction for the issue of section 148, has not mentioned or demonstrated that he was really satisfied with the reopening of the case. The court said that merely appending yes does not appropriately align with the mandate of section 151 as it fails to set out any degree of satisfaction. Friends, it has been seen that from the various cases, especially which are before the assessment year 16-17 or 17-18, most of the approvals have been given in a very mechanical manner, just like writing yes or approved or yes, I am satisfied. So there are a number of judgments which hold good that all those approvals are bad in law, and only on the basis of mechanical approval those assessments have been quashed where the assessee has taken those grounds. And friends, it is also very important that this comes into the definition of technical ground, legal ground, and these grounds can be raised by the assessee even at first time at the tribunal level. So if our cases are pending before any level and we find that we have not taken these grounds, so these grounds should be taken as an additional ground and they are accepted by the various courts. So friends, in this case it has been held that simply penning down the expression yes could not be considered as a valid approval for reopening the cases under section 148. At the end of this video, Once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Pioneer Town Planners Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 465 ITR at page number 356, and the date of the judgment is 20th February 2024. Thank you, friends.